Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on mobile. First, understand that Valorant Mobile is currently in a limited beta phase, meaning it's not yet available to everyone. Access is typically granted through official invitations or specific regional test events. It's crucial to stay updated by regularly checking the official Valorant Mobile website for the latest announcements regarding beta availability and sign-up opportunities. To register for potential beta access, your first step is to visit the official Valorant Mobile website or its dedicated App Store page. Look for a clear pre-registration or beta sign-up option. You'll typically need to provide some basic information, such as your email address and your current region, to be considered for future testing phases. Keep an eye on your inbox for any invitation emails. Once you receive an invitation to the Valorant Mobile beta, you'll get detailed instructions via email. This email will guide you to download the game, either through a direct link or via your device's app store. Before installing, make sure your mobile device meets the minimum system requirements to ensure a smooth gameplay experience. Follow the on-screen prompts for a successful installation. After installation, log in using your Riot Games account to begin playing the Valorant Mobile beta. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the mobile-optimized controls, as they will differ from the PC version. Remember, as a beta tester, your feedback is incredibly valuable. Report any bugs or share your suggestions to help the developers refine the game before its official launch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.